In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scrolling image video in Canva. This process is simple yet effective and perfect for adding a dynamic touch to your visual projects. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Canva. This platform is user-friendly and accessible, so launching it should be straightforward. You can do this by visiting Canva's website on your browser or opening the Canva app on your device. Once you have Canva open, you'll want to create a new design. Look for the video option, which sets the right dimensions and frame rate for your project. This is important because we are making a video with scrolling images, and starting with the correct setup will smoothen the process. Next, upload the image you want to use. If you don't have an image in mind already, don't worry. Canva's Photos tab is a treasure trove of high-quality images that you can choose from. Simply navigate to the Photos tab and browse through the extensive library to find a picture that suits your project. Once you've selected your image, click on it. This will bring the image onto your canvas, where the magic happens. Now, let's bring your image to life. Click Animate, an option you'll find on Canva's toolbar. From the animation options, choose Slide. This feature will create the scrolling effect, giving your image the appearance of movement. You'll see a small clock icon. Go ahead and click this to adjust the speed. Sliding left will slow down the motion, while sliding right speeds it up. Adjust this to set the perfect pacing, ensuring the scrolling effect matches your desired aesthetic and presentation timing. If you're creating a more in-depth story or presentation, consider adding multiple images. This step transforms your project into a story scroll, allowing for a sequence of images to tell a narrative or present ideas in a fluid motion. Simply repeat the upload and animate steps for each image, ensuring a cohesive flow from one to the next. Finally, once you are satisfied with your scrolling image video, it's time to share your creation. Click the Share button, and from the options, select Download as MP4. This format is widely supported, making it easy to distribute your video across various platforms or include it in other projects. And there you have it, your very own scrolling image video created with ease using Canva. In just a few steps, you've harnessed the power of animation to enhance your visual storytelling. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it inspires you to explore more creative ventures with Canva. Thanks for watching.